All right. Hi, I'm Angela. I'm going to share screens with you. I am working on Chapter 6. This is going to be exercise number 7. I want to introduce you to the Jeters Company. There we are. We are to compute the cost of ending inventory and the cost of goods sold under the 3 methods of accounting for inventory: FIFO, LIFO, and average cost. The information here is what we were given in the text minus the summation here. We've got inventory, 2 purchases, and then this last line is going to be our inventory count. So I went ahead and added up the total cost at $4,220 so that we would have that for easy reference. I will begin with our FIFO, first in, first out. So our ending inventory then will be the last purchases. So we're going to have our June 23rd and June 12th purchases. We have a total of 230 as our inventory count. So my first 200 units are going to come from the June 23rd purchase of 200 at $7 a piece, and that total is $1,400. And to total the 230 units counted in inventory, we need an additional 30 units at $6 a piece for $180, totaling $1,580. This is the ending inventory amount. In order to get the cost of goods sold, we take the 4,220, which is the costs available for sale. We subtract our ending inventory amount, and we have a total of cost of goods sales under the FIFO method, $2,640. And LIFO, last in, first out inventory. Because it's last in, first out on sales, for inventory, we go for the inventory that is the oldest. So with our 230 units of inventory, we'll start with the 120 units, at $5 a piece, which is the June 1st entry, totaling $600. To total our ending inventory at 230, we additionally add 110 units at $6, totaling $660. So our ending inventory under last in, first out is $1,260. In order to get the cost of goods sold, we take the cost of goods sold available for sale. We subtract the ending inventory under last in, first out, and our total cost of goods sold is $2,960. And then our last option is average cost. Now, average cost is based on the total amount of units we have and the total amount of cost associated with those units. So we have, for the ending inventory, 230 units. The total cost we have here, I divided 4,220 by the actual amount of units we have, less ending inventory. So 120, 370, and $200 adds up to our 690 units. So our average weighted cost is $6.116. The problem did suggest that we round average unit cost to 3 decimals, so I left it at 0.66. Excel likes to round it to 2, so we'll see how this works. So with our total amount of ending inventory, 230, with now our average weight, $6.116, the ending inventory under average cost is $1,406.67. So likewise, with the other cost of goods, we have the exact same cost of goods available for sale, 4,220. We subtract out the ending inventory under the average cost method of inventory. We have a cost of goods sold, $2,813.33. Now, I have 3 questions that we were asked to contribute to. The first one, the answer was easily found in the text. Which costing method gives the highest inventory? And that would be first in, first out, because the lower unit costs of the first units are matched against current revenue. I thought that was a really good explanation. The other 2 questions, how do the average cost values for ending inventory and cost of goods sold relate to the ending inventory and cost of goods sold of both FIFO and LIFO? And this, by looking at the figures, we can tell that FIFO, first in, first out, 15,000, LIFO, 12,000, and then the average cost is 14. So FIFO is always going to be your highest at 15,080. LIFO will always be your lowest at 1260, where the average cost will always be in between. And that seems to be the case for all of the inventory counts. The last question is, why is the average cost not $6? If we look up here to the information the text gave us, we have a $6 purchase, $5, and then a $7 a unit, depending on the date. If you average those, yes, it would be $6. But if you look at the units and their amounts, it won't correspond to exactly a $6 average. And that's the only solution I had for that question. If you have another one, please post it. This problem was very intuitive. I enjoyed doing it. It took me some time, but it was a learning process. Thank you very much. I'll see you on Chatbox. Bye.